Our mission as race makers. Our mission is making a race that is fun and engaging and will help grow our city as a whole. Our final and first pit stop is the starting pit stop for our race is Headwaters Park. The final pit stop will be at Fox Island. Our first location is the Old Fort, and during the Old Fort, the physical detour will be that each group will go find a hidden clue in one of the Old Forts. And for the mental detour, there will be a person who will speak to you about the history of the Old Fort, like how it happened, how it began, stuff like that. And you will have 7 minutes and under to write a paragraph in fact about what you learned.
Johnny Appleseed Park. The physical task at Johnny Appleseed Park will teams have to construct a fishing rod. They'll be given graphite pole, string, a hook, and a worm. They'll have to fish in the St. Joseph River, and they'll have to catch one fish. For the mental task, they will have to construct a campfire with the tools of a flint, steel, and cloth. Coliseum. The physical task at the Coliseum, they have to throw a half-court shot, and every time they miss, they have to run and retrieve the ball. For the mental task, teams will have to figure out which ward the plane is from that's on display in front.
Our next location is the Fort Wayne Children's Zoo. For the physical task, one team will go find the zebras and the tigers, and the other team will go search for the penguins and the goats without using a map. After they go find each of their animals, they will go run around the zoo one time. And then for the mental task, they will have pictures of animals and labels in Spanish, and they have to label the Spanish with the correct animal.
Okay, so our next location is the Fort Wayne Museum of Art, and our physical detour is participants will have to walk around the museum and collect art supplies, and then the mental detour is participants will have to write a paragraph of what they saw in the museum.
The Wabash Near Canal is going to be our next location. It helped Fort Wayne expand in the past. It was going to be a roadblock in the race, and what's going to happen is that one member from the team is going to have to look down at the ground, spin around 20 times, get a small foam ball, and throw it to a player who's 5 feet away. Our next location is the History Center, where history lives on. The mental detour will be that they will have to go around looking at the exhibits and memorize 3 of them and say it to someone. Teams cannot choose the same exhibit. The physical detour will be that the teams will have to run down to the old jail, find a crossword puzzle. No crossword puzzle will be near each other, and fill it out. Then the next location is Coney Island. Coney Island is a very important part of Fort Wayne. And the physical detour will be that they will have to grab a hot dog, run to the other side of the restaurant, and put it down on a plate. This is going to be a relay race style race. And the mental detour will be that they will have to listen to an order for 1 minute and then write it down a minute later.
Our next location is the Lincoln Tower. The Lincoln Tower is one of the most memorized and unique places in Fort Wayne. It's a roadblock. Teams will get a bag of coins, and they'll have to sort out the coins by year and put them in order. The Embassy Theater. The physical detour will be each team member and team will have to create a show and present it to each panel of judges. The mental detour will be 2 members from each team will have to create a prop for their show, and whoever has the least amount of costs will.
So for our next location is Parkview Field, and our physical detour, 1 member from each team will have to hit a baseball 30 or over 30 feet, and then they have to run the bases in under 30 seconds. And then the mental detour is they have to get taught or learn about the history of the tin caps and then write a paragraph of this tin caps.
For the Fox Island, for the mental detour, the teams will have to collect 6 certain leaves, and then they'll have to name them correctly, and then go to the entrance. For the physical detour, the teams will have to swim in the lake, and then they'll have to grab the pieces and then put a puzzle together on the lake.
Our outcome, or what we hope is the outcome from our race, is to have more citizens and future citizens to have fun and engaging activities to do at Fort Wayne. We hope that you enjoyed, and go follow us on Instagram at Group 2 Amazing Race. If you have any questions, please ask.